We'll see the application of Granger causality test in eViews. Why Granger causality test is applied? It is a test which is applied for determining whether one time series is useful in forecasting another. Fine. One time series is useful in forecasting another. That means Granger causality test is a technique for seeking the direction of causality between the two variables. We can check in which direction causality is there. Okay. And what is the null hypothesis which is checked here? It is like one time series forecast another. Okay, one time series forecast another. This is the hypothesis which is checked. So we'll see how this test is applied in eViews. We'll work on the same data file which we were working last time for testing the serial correlation. I'll just click on that file only and click on finish. And then I see that all my variables are here. Fine. What I need to do is I need to apply causality test. I'll go to quick. I'll go to var and then I'll apply standard var here. Or before going for var, what I'll do, I'll go for checking of Granger causality only. Okay, here in the group statistics, you'll see Granger causality test. I'll click on Granger causality test. Suppose I want to find Granger causality test between CAR of Allahabad Bank. This is one variable, and between the L underscore, rather than using CR of Allahabad Bank, I'll use the log values L underscore CAR for Allahabad Bank, and the second variable I'll take is L underscore OR for Allahabad Bank. These are the two variables between which I want to see whether Granger causality is present or not. Okay, what I can do here is I can take one dependent variable. I'm calling dependent because in the theoretical aspect, we have defined it as dependent. But here in causality test, no variable is dependent or independent. Okay, when the direction in which the relationship is checked, accordingly variable becomes dependent or independent. For example, when I'm applying Granger causality between CAR of Allahabad Bank and OR of Allahabad Bank, once CAR will become dependent variable, and in opposite direction checking, CAR will become independent variable. Okay, so at a time I can take multiple variables between which I want to test the relationship. In this case, I'm just testing relationship between CAR and OR of Allahabad Bank. I'll click OK, and I'm taking the standard legs here. The leg specification is 2 in this case, so I'll move with 2 only and click on the results. Here the null use in the output window, you can see that the null hypothesis when LOR Allahabad Bank does not Granger cause CAR of Allahabad Bank. Okay, that means causal element is OR and dependent is CAR. Now in this hypothesis, the second one, here we can see CAR is the causal element and OR becomes the dependent one. Okay, so first we'll see the first hypothesis. Here we see that the probability value is 0.1121 or 11.2%. That means we fail to reject the null hypothesis. That means LOR Allahabad Bank does not Granger cause. CR of Allahabad Bank is not rejected. Okay, it is not rejected. Similarly, if we see this hypothesis, here the probability value is 0.9521, that is 95.21%. Here again we are not able to reject the null hypothesis. Okay, that means we accept the hypothesis that CAR of Allahabad Bank does not Granger cause OR of Allahabad Bank. So what we see, both variables OR and CR, they in both the direction they do not Granger cause each other. Okay, that means there is no causal relationship between OR and CAR of Allahabad Bank. If one wants to check it further, okay, if one wants to check it further, what can be done is, like, we go back to the Granger causality part. We write CAR of Allahabad Bank, then L underscore, I'll give space L underscore O R CAR was done OR of Allahabad Bank. I'll click OK, and what I'll do, I'll increase the number of lakhs to 3. Okay, now there are new results again which are not significant. So I'll go back to the test again, and L underscore OR CR and OR, and L underscore CAR Allahabad Bank. And what I'll do, okay, I increase number of lakhs to 4 this time, and then the test is not applied. Okay, because of lesser number of sample elements, that is sample size is small. So what we see is that we can check Granger causality up to 2 lakhs, and if you want to check it more, fine. What we'll do, we'll proceed with more number of lakhs if our data size is bigger. So in this way, Granger causality test can be applied on the time series data. This test has to be applied with all the variables, taking dependent and independent variables. In this series starters, when we type the names of multiple variables of same bank can be typed, like log value of what I'm doing, log value of CAR underscore Allahabad Bank. Okay, this is one value. Then log value of OR, this is another variable because of Allahabad Bank. Then L underscore CR is done, OR is done, and okay, there are 2 variables only. So if there for every bank this type of relationship can be checked. Okay, so this completes the Granger causality application in eViews.